Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's mini-series of 3 episodes, we are going to show you 15 interesting facts about BLACKPINK you didn't know. So please make sure that you watch the other episode as well and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content. So let's get it started. 15 ultimate BLACKPINK facts you never knew. 11. Their fans are known as Blinks. The words black and pink together are the source of the name. The official fan club, called Blinks, is where supporters may watch exclusive content. Baby Blinks, who are younger followers of BLACKPINK, are very devoted to the group and will wait hours in line to watch the girls perform, in addition to joining fan clubs and purchasing merchandise. 12. They had a TV show. BLACKPINK House is a television program that chronicles the band's daily activities, including rehearsals, recordings, and live performances. The girls allowed cameras to follow them around their home in Mapo-gu, South Korea, where they shared a residence. It also included entertaining segments like video diaries and glimpses into the girls' daily life. On YouTube, it has received over 400 million views. 13. They also have solo careers. BLACKPINK has been a group for a while, yet each member also has their own individual endeavors. Jennie's song Solo was the first of Lisa, Rose, and Jennie's independently released works. Watch this space because Jisoo plans to release something soon despite not having done so yet. 14. They have collaborated with loads of different artists. In addition to doing solo performances, BLACKPINK has worked with many other well-known musicians, such as Selena Gomez, Lady Gaga, Cardi B, and Dua Lipa. They have not only had songs featuring Selena Gomez but have also been featured on Lady Gaga's Chromatica and Dua Lipa's self-titled albums. Additionally, Ariana Grande, who co-wrote their pop song, Ice Cream, is supporting them. 15. They have a Netflix documentary. It was released in 2020 and is titled Light Up the Sky. The documentary chronicles their ups and downs as they cope with the demands of celebrity and performing, from their 2016 debut to their 2019 appearance at Coachella. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.